everyone. This is Kriti, Assistant Professor of the Department of Information Technology in Delhi Multitech Engineering College, Howrah. In this tutorial, we will see about the conditional statements in Python. What is conditional statements? What is conditional statements? Why these conditional statements used in the Python? The conditional statement in Python perform the different computation and process depending on some specific Boolean constraints to evaluate to true or false. In some case, there's some situation in real life, we need to do some task performed on condition, we decide what should we do. The same concept applied to the programming language. Some process are performed based on if the condition becomes true. These condition statements are applied in Python. There are several conditional statements are declared here. If else, nested if else statement we will see. Before that, we should know what is condition. The conditional statements in Python support the logical operation from the mathematician. For example, A equal to B, A less than B, A greater than or equal to A not equal to B, so on. These are the condition are used in the most if statement and loops. We will see if statement. Already we know about the if statement. First one, in Python we need to declare the if statement. We should write the syntax for it. First one, if keyword is used for the if statement followed by the condition ends with the colon. Inside the colon the statements will be executed. This is flowchart for if. First one, if the text expression is nothing but your condition. If condition is true, it going to execute the statements. Otherwise, it exists to the statements. Example. You see the example. I give the value 10 less greater than 5. If the condition is true or not, the condition is true. So print the 10 greater than 5. Otherwise, if 5 less than 10, it will go exit the branch. If else statement. If else statement is nothing but if you want to two possibilities, condition determines which one goes runs. Syntax for else if statement. If conditions, if followed by condition ends with colon and the statement inside the if condition will be executed. Else part, if the statement gets false, the else part will be executed. This is flowchart for if else statement. First one, the expression goes to condition. First, whether the condition is true or false. First one is true. It going to execute the first statement of if block. Otherwise, it executes the else statement. Finally, it exits the if else statement. This is example for the if else statement. Here I declare the variable x, assign the value 3. If x equal to 4, this condition is true? No. So it does not executed this statement. It goes to else part. Else part is print no. The output is no. Next one, nested if statement. Nested if statement is nothing but if the first condition is true, it goes to verify the next condition inside the if statement. Okay, this is the syntax for nested if statement. If condition is as usual, whatever we see in the previous statement, same like, but the condition is declared inside. If followed by condition ends with the colon, the first statement will be executed. if it is true, and then it goes to the second statement. If condition 2 is true, it will go to execute the statements. Otherwise, it exists the statements, if statements. This is flowchart for nested if statement. First condition, if we are going to check the first condition. The first expression is whether the first expression is true, it goes to execute the first one. Sorry. If the first condition is true, it goes to execute the nested if statement. Nested if statement. Thus condition is true. It's going to perform the execute the statement inside the nested loop. Otherwise, it goes to execute the else part. If the condition is false, this also false. It will exit the if-else statement. See this example. I declare the number equal to 10. If num greater than 5, print bigger than 5. Is the condition is true? Yes, this condition is true. It goes to the next if statement inside the if statement. If number less than or equal to 15, this condition also true. It will go to execute the print statement between 5 and 15. The output will be bigger than 5, between 5 and 15. Next one, if else statement. When we are give the more condition to the if statement, we will go for the if statement. If else statement. This is syntax for the if else statement. If condition, same process whatever we see in the last slide. If condition and execute, if the condition is true, it goes to execute the statement. Otherwise, if it goes to the if condition, this also is false, it goes to execute the else statement. This is flowchart for if else statement. If the condition 1 is true, it goes to perform the statement 1 and then print the output. If the first condition is false, it goes to the else condition. If the condition is true, it executes the statement 2 and print the output last. If also is false, it goes to perform the else part. It executes the third statements and print the output. Example for the if else statement. I declare letter equal to A. If letter equal to B, it checks the condition. No, A equal to B is not true. So it goes to the A if letter A equal to C. It also this also error, not correct. Next it goes to the next else statement. Number equal to A. Here I didn't declare the number. So this statement also failed. Last one else statement will be executed. The output will be letter is A.